बॉलीवुड में अगर सिलेब्स स्टार्स हैं तो उनके बच्चे हैं सुपरस्टार्स. With their angelic smiles, innocent comments and photogenic faces, B-Town के नन्हे सितारे अपने पेरेंट्स से भी ज्यादा पॉपुलर हो रहे हैं. While there has always been an interest in star kids with social media and a growing paparazzi culture, there is a huge interest in the children of celebrities जिनके फोटोज और वीडियोस को देखने के लिए बहुत लोग इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं. इनका innocence and the almost normalizing effect that they have on their parents who are otherwise glamorous divas and superstars make them even more endearing. Now let's take a look at the most popular tiny tots in Bollywood. So who are these tiny tots जिन्होंने सबके दिल चुराए हैं? Number 1, Taimur Ali Khan. It's safe to say that Taimur Star Kids में है superstar. Kareena and Saif's son has captured the imagination of the entire nation. Perhaps the most photographed child in Bollywood, Taimur's undeniable cuteness has been captured almost on a daily basis by the paparazzi. In fact, he is so used to having photographers around that he even waves and greets the photographers or says no pictures depending on his mood. Looks like Taimur is all set for his eventual stardom. Number 2, Yash and Ruhi Johar.
Ruhi, why are you holding these balloons? Yash! Why are you holding the balloons? We are back! Lockdown with the Johars are back! See you soon!
Yash and Ruhi became internet sensations when their papa Karan Johar started posting videos featuring the two tiny tots during the lockdown and sharing their daily antics with his followers.
Toodles. Okay, toodles.
It was refreshing to see the kids speak to Karan with absolutely no filters.
Wow, we're eating burgers today, Ruhi. Yash, even Dada wants to eat.
No, you'll get fat.
I'll become fat if I have a burger.
From teasing him about his weight, calling him old because of his white hair, or raiding his closet, Yash and Ruhi are a feisty twosome who have no fear of their otherwise powerful producer Papa. Toodles!
Wow, Ruhi, Yash, we're in Dada's closet. Ruhi, you like Dada's clothes?
No.
Wow, Yash, you like Dada's shoes?
No.
Excuse me, what is this you're holding?
Mama, I kurta.
Whose kurta?
Mama, kurta.
This is not Mama's kurta, this is Dada's kurta. Excuse me, what are you all doing in my shower? What? What? You're telling me I'm dirty, I should have a bath?
Number 3, Inaya Nomi Kemu.
Putike lakate tutute papa.
Kok sama kalau meda.
Medu hate laka sumama hayana popo.
No, pukila son
Inaya is Taimur's adorable cousin and the little girl has the most beautiful eyes and smile.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Her parents Soha Ali Khan and Kunal Kemu have often shared lovely candid pictures of Inaya playing at home or hanging out with her cousin Taimur, who is, by the way, her best friend and partner in crime. Number 4, Asher and Noah. Sunny Leone and her husband Daniel Webber are parents to 3 kids, Nisha, Asher and Noah. While all three kids are adorable, a picture of their son Asher with his finger in his nose had gone viral on the internet. The poor little chap was clicked by the paparazzi, and his parents too had a hearty laugh when they saw the snap. Sunny's husband Daniel Weber wrote, "Teaching Asher camera etiquette," followed by laughing emojis. Who is your favorite star kid or kids? Do let us know.
Lovely. I love you.
I love you.
Okay, and say toodles.